Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how the custom settings work in Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. So first, make sure that the dial is set to custom. And once you're in Design Space canvas and ready to cut the image, let's click Make It. Then continue. Then you can choose what you would like your machine to cut. For me, I'm going to choose vinyl. Then from here, there is an option to change the pressure. And once you click on this, you can do less or more. And that's how the custom settings work in Cricut Design Space. Alright you guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys later.